Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some advanced problems based on integers. So let's look at the first problem. If x is equal to minus 47 plus 46 plus minus 47 plus 46 plus so on, how many terms we have? It says we have 60 terms. And y is equal to 25 plus minus 24 plus 25 plus minus 24, and it continues up to till 40 terms. Then find y minus x. So in order to find y minus x, first of all we need to simplify both of them, right? So now how to simplify? Let's check. Now here observe one thing, that the numbers are given in pairs. So they are repeating themselves in pairs, right? So minus 47 plus 46. What is minus 47 plus 46? That is minus 1, right? You have already learned addition and subtraction of integers, correct? So this is basically minus 1 plus so on minus 1. Now how many terms do I have? These are two terms when I have minus 47 plus 46. This is giving me the result minus 1. It means the result is coming out of two terms and I am getting one term here. So out of 60 terms I will be left with 30 terms, right? Now minus 1 is getting added 30 times. So what should be the answer? Minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1. It will be minus 30, right? It's getting added 30 times. Similarly, if we consider y. Now here look at the pair 25 plus minus 24. What is plus minus? That is minus, right? So can I say this is 25 minus 24? What is 25 minus 24? That's 1, right? So I am getting the sum 1 plus 1, and this 40 terms gets reduced to 20 terms, right? Now 1 getting added 20 times. What is the answer? That is 20, right? So now I have got the simplified form here, that x is minus 30 and y is 20. Can I find my y minus x as required? Let's check it out. So y minus x is equal to 20 minus, and the value of x is minus 30. Now what is minus minus? It is plus, right? Because this can be considered as minus 1. So minus 1 times minus 1 is 1 only. So minus minus becomes plus. So 20 plus 30, and our answer is 50. I hope this is clear to you. Let's look at the next problem. Taking today as 0 on the number line. So this is my number line. I am taking today as 0 on the number line. If the day before yesterday was 26th February 2020. So this is yesterday and this is 26th February. What is the date 4 days after tomorrow? This is my tomorrow. I need to figure out what is the date after 4 days. Now, while solving such type of questions, the first thing you need to check is whether the year given to you is a leap year or not. We are given here 2020. Now how to determine whether the given year is a leap year or not? You can divide the year by 4. If it gets perfectly divided, then it is a leap year, otherwise it is not a leap year. So division by 4, you already know the divisibility rule, that you just divide the last two digits of the number by 4. If they are divisible, then the number is also divisible. So the last two digits are 20 here. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? That means 2020 was a leap year, right? So leap year means February has 29 days, right? So if this is 26th February, what would be the date on yesterday? That would be 27th February, right? So this would be 27th February. Then what would be the date today? It would be 28th February, correct? Now what would be the date tomorrow? It should be 29th February, correct? So what would be the date 4 days after tomorrow? This is 1st of March. After 29th February, we will have 1st of March, right? This is 2nd of March. This is 3rd of March, and this would be 4th of March. So 4 days after tomorrow, my date should be 4th of March. This is how you can solve such type of problems easily with the help of a number line. So final answer is 4th March. I hope this is clear to you. Let's look at the next problem. If A is minus 1 raised to the power 10,001 multiplied with minus 1 raised to the power 10,002 and B is minus 1 raised to the power 2,000, then find the value of A plus B, A minus B, A times B and A divided by B. So these are the 4 values we need to figure out. So in order to figure out these values, first of all I need to simplify the value of A and B. So let's check. We have A as minus 1 raised to the power 10,001 times minus 1 raised to the power 10,002. Now what is minus 1 raised to the power 10,001? It is minus 1 and minus 1 raised to the power 10,002 is plus 1. Why? Because we know that if we multiply minus 1 odd number of times, that is if the power of minus 1 is odd, then we get the answer as minus 1. And if we multiply minus 1 even number of times, or in other words we can say if the power of minus 1 is even, then we get the answer as plus 1. So that is the rule. Now what is minus 1 times 1? That is minus 1, right? So we get the value of A as minus 1. Now let's check B. What is B? B is minus 1 raised to the power 2,000, right? Now is 2,000 even or odd? It is an even power, right? So when minus 1 is raised to the power even power, then the answer is positive 1. So the value of B is positive 1. Now let's figure out all of these. What is A plus B? That is minus 1 plus 1, that's 0. What would be A minus B? What is the value of A? Minus 1. Minus sign as it is. And what is the value of B? That is 1. So what is minus 1 minus 1? The answer is minus 2. Similarly, A times B, minus 1 multiplied with 1, that will be minus 1, right? And A divided by B, minus 1 upon minus 1, that is minus 1 only. So the answer is minus 1. This is how you can simplify given integers when they are raised to bigger exponents and solve and simplify and find the values. I hope this is clear to you. So let's look at the next problem now. Simplify minus 109 minus 121 divided by 11 times 11 minus minus 4 minus 3 minus 9 minus 2. Here a vinculum is missing. So let me put it. Vinculum are also known as line bracket, right? Now children, you are already aware of the BODMAS rule. Remember the BODMAS rule? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we are going to follow the BODMAS rule in order to solve this problem. Now in brackets, first of all, the priority is given to the line bracket or the vinculum. So first of all, we will simplify 9 minus 2. So what is 9 minus 2? That's 7, right? So this becomes 7. Now in the next step, what we will look upon? Should we remove the braces or should we simplify this first? What do you think? So first we will remove the parentheses after the line bracket. So 11 times 11 is 121, right? Now we will try and remove the braces, also known as the curly brackets. So what is 3 minus 7? That is minus 4, right? and what is minus minus? That is plus. So this becomes plus. Now I just have the big bracket here, that's it. So first let me simplify this expression and then I will be removing this big bracket. So division and addition, I have two operations here. So which one is carried first, division or addition? Division is carried out first. So what is 121 divided by 121? That is 1, right? So I can write this as 1 plus 4 plus 4. Now it is the same addition operation. So I am going to add these three terms together in one go. So what is 4 plus 4? That's 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So I can write this as minus 109 minus 9. Since I have simplified, I have removed the big brackets also. Now what is minus 109 minus 9? That's 109 plus 9 with a negative sign in the answer, right? So that's minus 118. I hope this is clear to you. See you in the next module for some more interesting advanced problems. Bye.